The Alexian Rehabilitation Hospital is a partnership between the Alexian Brothers Hospital Network and the Rehabilitation Institute of Chicago. It's a 66-bed rehabilitation facility, freestanding, across the street from the main medical center of the Alexian Brothers. You really get the best of both worlds because you have the long-standing Alexian Brothers Hospital Network here in the northwest suburbs, as well as the Rehabilitation Institute of Chicago, which has been voted the #1 rehabilitation facility in U.S. News and World Report since 1991. What's special about the partnership between Alexian Brothers and the Rehabilitation Institute of Chicago is that there is a group of physiatrists or physical medicine and rehabilitation specialists who practice right here. The office is located right on the Alexian Brothers Medical Center campus, across the street from the Rehabilitation Hospital. By having the physiatrist that provides them comprehensive care as they go through the continuum, whether it's inpatient or outpatient care. The Alexian Rehabilitation Hospital offers rehabilitation for a variety of diagnoses. On the inpatient side, we treat patients with strokes and spinal cord injuries, brain injury, orthopedic conditions such as joint replacements or hip fractures. On the outpatient side, we can treat low back pain, neck pain, sports injuries such as shoulder or knee problems, and neurological conditions like multiple sclerosis or Guillain-Barré syndrome. What's great about the rehabilitation services at the Alexian Rehabilitation Hospital is that there's a continuum of services that are offered for patients who need rehabilitation. It can start with inpatient care, which could be a several-week stay, but then the patients can progress to day rehabilitation, which is a comprehensive interdisciplinary outpatient program, and then perhaps move on to single discipline for outpatient care, whether it be physical, occupational, or speech therapy. So the patients can get all their rehabilitation within one facility, which makes it easy for the patient to get the care that they need. When a patient comes to the Alexian Rehabilitation Hospital, we're not just treating diagnosis, we're treating a person, their family, and significant others. So we're not only looking at the physical well-being of the patient, but also the emotional well-being, the spiritual well-being, and we offer services to cover all those aspects of a patient's care. We have a chapel, which is open 24 hours a day to meet the emotional and spiritual needs of the patients and their families. We also have the Life Center, which stands for Learning, Innovation, Family, and Empowerment. Patients and families can use the Life Center as a resource center to help educate themselves. At the Alexian Rehabilitation Hospital, patient care is interdisciplinary. The patient, the family, the physicians, the treating therapists, and other allied health personnel all work together to achieve common goals that the patient would like to achieve while they're here. With our large 66-bed rehabilitation hospital, we can take patients obviously from within our network, but we're also able to take patients who are referred from outside the system. And what we like to make sure is that when patients finish their rehabilitation, is that we get them back from where they came to make sure that they hook up with their primary care network and with the specialists that were seeing them at the hospital from which they were referred. The Alexian Rehabilitation Hospital is a special place. The physicians, the staff, the nurses, the therapists, they're all dedicated to providing the best patient care possible. They live and breathe the mission of Alexian Brothers, and they want to make sure that the patients receive the best care possible so they can get home and return to the highest level of functioning that they can.